Ever wondered where your precious Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other digital assets reside when you're using Gemini? It's a question that often pops up, especially for those new to the crypto space. And it's a crucial one, because understanding the security and infrastructure behind your chosen exchange is paramount. So, which wallet does Gemini use? That's exactly what we're diving into today. Before we get to the specifics of Gemini's wallet solution, let's take a quick step back. Why is wallet security so important in the first place? Well, in the world of cryptocurrency, your private keys are essentially the keys to your kingdom. They're what prove you own your digital assets. If someone gains access to those keys, they gain access to your funds. It's that simple. So, exchanges like Gemini have a massive responsibility to protect those keys and, by extension, your assets. Now, you might be thinking, can't I just store my crypto in a personal wallet? Absolutely. And it's a practice we highly encourage for long-term holdings. Think of it like keeping cash in your wallet versus storing it in a bank vault. Personal wallets, like hardware wallets or well-vetted software wallets, give you complete control over your keys. However, for active trading or ease of access, many users prefer the convenience of keeping some funds on an exchange. That's where understanding the exchange's wallet infrastructure comes into play. So, back to our original question, which wallet does Gemini use? The answer isn't as simple as naming one specific type of wallet. Gemini employs a multi-layered approach to security, combining different technologies and strategies to safeguard user funds. They don't rely on just one single wallet solution. This diversified approach is a best practice in the industry, minimizing the risk associated with any single point of failure. One of the cornerstones of Gemini security is their use of cold storage. What exactly is cold storage? Imagine a physical vault, completely disconnected from the internet. That's essentially what cold storage is for cryptocurrencies. A significant portion of Gemini's digital assets are held offline, in these highly secure, geographically dispersed vaults. This makes them virtually impervious to hacking attempts that target online systems. Think of it like Fort Knox for Bitcoin. Now, while cold storage is excellent for long-term security, it's not practical for day-to-day transactions. You can't exactly make a quick trade if your crypto is locked away in a vault. That's where hot wallets come in. A hot wallet is connected to the internet, allowing for faster and more convenient transactions. Gemini utilizes hot wallets for a portion of their assets, facilitating user deposits and withdrawals. However, they keep the vast majority of their funds in cold storage, minimizing the potential impact of any online attack. But even their hot wallets aren't your typical hot wallets. Gemini employs sophisticated security measures to protect these online funds. This includes things like multi-signature technology, where multiple authorized individuals are required to approve any transaction. Think of it like having multiple locks on a safe, each requiring a different key. This significantly reduces the risk of unauthorized access. Beyond cold and hot wallets, Gemini also leverages the power of institutional-grade hardware security modules, or HSMs. These are tamper-proof devices designed specifically for storing and managing cryptographic keys. They provide an extra layer of protection, ensuring that even if a server is compromised, the private keys remain secure. Another crucial aspect of Gemini's security is their compliance with regulatory requirements. They operate as a New York trust company, meaning they're subject to rigorous audits and oversight. This regulatory scrutiny forces them to adhere to the highest security standards, further protecting user funds. It's also important to understand that Gemini doesn't just rely on technology. They also have a dedicated security team that constantly monitors their systems and stays ahead of potential threats. They conduct regular security assessments and penetration testing to identify and address any vulnerabilities. It's a continuous process of improvement and adaptation, ensuring that their security measures remain effective in the face of evolving threats. So, to summarize, Gemini doesn't use just one type of wallet. They employ a combination of cold storage, hot wallets secured with multi-signature technology and HSMs, and robust operational security practices. This multi-layered approach is designed to provide the highest level of security for user funds. They prioritize security above all else, recognizing that trust is paramount in the cryptocurrency space. Now, you might be wondering, what can I do to further protect my crypto on Gemini? While Gemini takes care of the heavy lifting when it comes to securing their platform, there are still steps you can take to enhance your own security. First and foremost, enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA, on your Gemini account. This adds an extra layer of security, requiring a code from your phone or another device in addition to your password. It makes it much harder for someone to access your account, even if they have your password. Secondly, use a strong and unique password for your Gemini account. Don't reuse passwords across different platforms. A password manager can be a great tool for generating and storing strong passwords. Thirdly, be wary of phishing scams. These are attempts to trick you into revealing your login credentials. Always double-check the website address before entering your information. Gemini will never ask for your password via email. Finally, consider storing a significant portion of your crypto in a personal wallet, especially for long-term holdings. This gives you complete control over your private keys. Understanding the security measures employed by exchanges like Gemini is essential for anyone participating in the cryptocurrency market. It gives you peace of mind knowing that your funds are being protected. Gemini's commitment to security, through their multi-layered wallet solution and robust security practices, makes them a trusted platform for many crypto users. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.